As I step into the heart of Dubai after dark, the city transforms into a mesmerizing tapestry of lights and colors. The towering skyscrapers, adorned with vibrant LED displays, pulse with energy, casting a magical glow on the bustling streets below. Each corner reveals a new wonder, the intricate designs of the souks, where the scent of spices mingles with the laughter of locals and tourists alike. I wander through the Dubai Marina, where the shimmering waters reflect the dazzling skyline, creating a surreal mirror of this modern oasis. The air is alive with the sounds of laughter and music, as street performers captivate passers-by with their enchanting acts. As I stroll along the promenade, I can't help but marvel at the iconic Burj Khalifa, standing tall like a beacon of innovation, its lights dancing in sync with the rhythm of the night. This city, a blend of tradition and modernity, invites me to lose myself in its vibrant nightlife, where every moment feels like a dream waiting to be explored.